Hi, this is Greg with MarineMax Miami, and today I'd like to present this new brokerage listing. This is the 66 Azimut Fly 2020. We just detailed this boat in full. We've waxed the boat, we've put new bottom paint, we've changed out the zincs, we've done prop speed on the running gear. The boat is exceptionally clean. It's a one owner boat, and I'm looking forward to presenting this boat to you today. So we're getting ready to splash the boat, but I wanted to show you a few things while it's out of the water. So these are the Zipwakes. It's like the trim tabs on the boat. They're interceptors. They go up and down and does the same thing as a trim tab. Very efficient, makes the boat perform nice. As you can see, we've changed out all the zincs here. We've put prop speed. This is your stern thruster. So you have a bow thruster as well as a stern thruster, as well as a joystick. So operating the boat is going to make it much easier to dock, gives you that security, that comfort, and just makes it more enjoyable for your family. So we just put the boatmobile back into the water, and we're very excited. We're going to go get a couple of drone shots. But take a look while we're on the boat. You can see how beautiful the teak was. They just reconditioned the teak. We've got a nice hydraulic swim platform here that'll allow you to put a nice tender. A lot of people put like a Williams 325, but you can put whatever you'd like. Another nice feature is you've got the passerelle, so this will electrically come out. Kind of a little bit easier assistance getting in and out of the boat. You do have a crew quarters for two, so we won't open that, but you'll see it in the other video that I've attached with Federico, and he did a very detailed walkthrough on the 66 Fly. So as we come up here into the cockpit area, you'll see the boat is very open, lots of space, tons of seating, lots of shade. You've got the JL audio upgrade throughout the boat, which is really nice. So if you're into the music, which I am, you'll definitely be able to take advantage of that. As we go through some of the outside of the boat, you're going to see some of the cushions are not here. They're getting reupholstered. So you're going to have gorgeous new reupholstered, same exact material. It's the beta line from the factory. So that's going to be really nice, and that'll enhance the look of wet bar area here, which is nice, so you can make drinks here, serve your guests. As you come in here, very open. Notice we've pocketed the doors out. It's a gorgeous day here in Miami, so you're able to take advantage of that nice weather. You've got a nice salon area here, tons of seating. You've got a pop-up TV that'll pop out from here. Otherwise, you have opposed seating. Beautiful windows throughout. We do have the exterior shades on them right now, which is what keeps the interior so nice. I mean, this is a 2020 66 Fly Azimut, very nice condition, captain maintained, one owner boat. You've got a nice galley on your port side with proper refrigeration, lots of storage. You've got all Miele appliances, top of the line. Another cool feature that I'll show you while I'm here in the galley, let's say you're just talking with your guests, you can see through this no problem. If you were cooking or made a little bit of a mess, you can actually hit the button and then give a little bit of a privacy from that. So kind of a cool feature. Another nice thing that I like is you've got this area here, which could be, you know, a little cozy area for someone to have a couple of drinks. It could also become a little workstation or whatever the case may be. Right before we do the helm, I want to show you how large this dinette area is. So great area if you want to eat inside. Nice AC, beautiful views. And then here at the helm, you'll see you have the state-of-the-art Raymarine. It's all the platinum package. You've got the Fleur, you've got the Zipwake, you've got the autopilot, the AIS, you've got bow and stern thrusters, as well as the joystick. And this boat is Caterpillar, very reliable engines. You've got, while you're over there, you can see that you have all your panel, very easy access. Let's go downstairs and we'll take a peek at some of the rooms. As you make your way down, you'll see it's nice and open. You have a nice little landing area. And this is your fourth stateroom here, so a great place to put the kids. You can also use it for additional storage. Then on this side, opposed side, you've got another stateroom here. This is your third stateroom, 3 of 4. And then as you walk forward, you've got a really nice VIP area here. You can get around both sides of the bed, so that's nice and comfortable. You've got the windows, plenty of headroom. I'm 6'1", plenty of room even above me. And then you have a nice in-suite head here with the private dry shower, which is always nice. And that way everything doesn't get wet. And then we'll make our way to the aft master stateroom, your 4th stateroom. Really nice setup, tons of light, beautiful views, windows, lots of space throughout the boat. And then over here, you've got a nice credenza here with tons of storage through here, which is obviously very important on a boat. Big walk-in, almost a walk-in closet, space of a walk-in closet. Also, there's a safe in there, so you can put your passport or cash or whatever the case is when you go into the Bahamas. And then here is your master head, super comfortable. Just a great setup, a perfect boat to go spend, a week or 2 in the Bahamas, or to do that north-south connection. If let's say you want to go from down here in Miami and head up to New York for the summer, or Miami for the winter, or however you envision using the boat. Let's go take a look at the Flybridge. So here we are up on the Flybridge of the 66 Azimut Fly 2020. As I had mentioned earlier, we've got the cushions that are getting reskinned, reupholstered with the same beautiful material of the Beta line from Azimut. But while we were up here, I'll show you a couple of cool features about this boat. This is so much additional space here because the whole superstructure is carbon fiber. It's very light. It makes the boat more comfortable, and it allows you to have a much larger and longer Flybridge extended here, which not only gives us this amazing space here, you can put 2, 4, 6 people right here, have cocktails, and in addition to that, you're capitalizing on the shade that's actually underneath it. So great use of space here. As we come forward, you'll see you have an additional area for dining. That is in the shade some of the time, depending on how the sun is set up. More JL audio speakers throughout the boat. And you even have back here where I am, you've got the torpedo JLs. I mean, it's really nice when you're listening to music, you're out on the boat, it's just all part of the lifestyle. Just a great setup. Up top, you've got an opening. So if you're boating at night and you want to see the stars, just a great setup. Over here on the port side, you've got the refrigerator, ice maker, grill, more luxury seating up here, as well as a nice table. So the table can drop down, filler cushion, nice little lounge area for your family while you're underway. The captain would have his family, his friends very close by, right next to him, or possibly even right behind him at this table. And I won't go over all the electronics as we kind of did that downstairs, but you sort of have an idea. It's a repeater. As you come up here, you'll notice we have a really nice bow area for lounging, for seating. You have a electric bimini, which is not deployed right now because, again, we're reskinning all the cushions, but that's a really nice space up there that you'll be able to take advantage in the next week or 2 once we put that back in. So that concludes our video today of the 66. My name is Gregg Kopp. I work at MarineMax Miami. Please give me a call and I can give you a lot more details on the boat. Again, it's a 1-owner boat. My number is 786-390-5292. Thanks so much for watching.